Hey, we're on 2019 Volkswagen Jetta GLI, Volkswagen. We're gonna give it and fast. You know where Volkswagen comes from? Well, it's no history lesson. I don't want to get canceled. Talking about how Ferdinand Porsche actually helped out Hitler. But I didn't say that. You heard that somewhere else. Let me show you how to do the drain and fill in manual transmission. You hadn't seen it anywhere else, but you heard it here first. Check it out. All right, guys. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you can actually fill the thing back up. So take off all this stuff. This kid thinks that having all this stuff on here adds like 10 horsepower. So he doesn't know any better. Just go ahead and take your air cleaner stuff, get it out of the way. And we want to make sure, this is really important, guys. I know I'm making some jokes, but this is really important. You've got to make sure you get it. This here is your fill plug. This guy right here, that's your fill plug. That's about a 19 millimeter. We're going to crack that loose, make sure we can get it loose. Yeah, because the last thing you want to do is drain it all out and then be like, fine, flickety scoob! I can't fill it back up. And then you, of course, this kid, his parents bought him the car. They're going to be pretty upset with him. I don't know what you do with that. Get your big bag 19, get it in here, and well, boop, 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 boop. You got that loosened up. Let's pull this bad boy out. This is what your plug looks like. If it doesn't look like this and looks like something else, chances are you got the wrong plug. All right, come under here. Go ahead. That's your drain plug right here. It's probably the only real big chunk one. And now nothing's gonna come out of here because the cool high school kids that own this car that I'm helping out have already drained it out. But unfortunately, they drained it without pulling the top off first. Go ahead, make sure you got it drained. Go ahead and put a new washer on it and put it back in. Put your drain plug back in. This style, that's the Allen head, is 35 Newton meters. Tighten that bad boy down with a new washer. We'll get your big bad snap-on torque wrench out. Anyways, it's 35 Newton meters or 25 foot-pounds. So this bad boy, and it's a 10 millimeter Allen head. Oh, there it is. Boop, boop. Funnel right in the hole. Like that song. Just go and jam it in the hole. Now, listen, there's a shaft that's running right here, right behind here, and it's not going to want to let you just dump that fluid in full force. It's going to want to go ahead and start coming out some, so you got to just take your time pouring it in. Pouring it in. We're going at about this speed. I'm going to go ahead and have the vehicle owner actually do the rest of this. I'm going to get back to work. All right, guys, so check it out. Take our fill plug, lube it up, get this Lucas. I love this Lucas assembly lube. Little lube never hurt, right? All right, so this may alarm some of the purists out there. It's okay, get your nice green Griffzilla Garage Edition, quarter-inch snap-on ratchet. All right, guys, after you zip that thing on, go ahead, get your hand wrench on here, and just make sure you get that this is nice and snug. It does not have to be He-Man tight. That's good.